This dude is easily the ugliest human being I've ever seen. Like, listen to this dude. Cut it out.